Hello and welcome to LearnTech School. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a passport step by step, from creating your application to making payments and booking your appointment. This tutorial is perfect for first-time applicants and anyone renewing their passports. Before we begin, make sure you have your national ID, valid email address, your phone number, and payment method ready. If you enjoy practical technology tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LearnTech School, and turn on notifications. Next step is for you to select your favorite browser. With me, I'm going to click on Chrome, then for it to open. Then it's going to lead us to Google search box, whereby we're going to type in eCitizen website, then you click on it. So what we'll be seeing is the eCitizen dashboard. So in eCitizen dashboard, you see some icons of various services, government services that are found in eCitizen. So we have the sign in button here, which will be able to sign in if you have an account. If you don't have, you can just click on the register button for you to register, and you need to fill in your particulars such as your name and other details. So let us go straight away to the sign in button and we click on it. The next will be having in the inputs for email and password. Then you click in sign in because we have already entered our details. So here you're going to select either send code by email or send a code by phone, but with us we're going to choose phone. Then click on it. It will send that code, OTP verification code, through our phone. Then you're going to put it key in there on that input and then click next. So on this next button, I'm going to click proceed. Then you go back and click on apply for passport. Then it will lead us to immigration dashboard. So on this dashboard here, we're going to see the form navigation areas. We're going to start with category, then other one dual nationality, passport type, then there's applicants details, parents details, next of kin, and the other kind of stuff. Now next we'll scroll down and then you go straight away to passport owner and click on the drop down arrow. So you're going to choose either your application, your child's application. So you're going to choose application. Then next you're going to here it will be indicating the amount of time that you have spent on this page. I'm going to click next on the next button. So on this next page, we'll be having some adult application instructions. How long does it take for you to get a passport? And it will give you also the procedure on how to apply passport and the instructions that are there, the requirement during the submission stages will be there, national ID and other details. Then it will also indicate the passport fees for 34 pages, for 50 pages, ordinary B for 66 pages, diplomatic passport, mutilated passport, and also if you have lost your passport. So let us go into downwards. With us, before we click on the next button, we are going to click or choose 34, then click next. So on the next, you are going to choose dual nationality. So here you don't belong to two countries, so you're going to choose no for an answer. Then I'm going to click on that next button so that it can lead us into the next page. Now here the passport type, we're going just to choose ordinary. Then another pop-up will appear. So ordinary application type. On that input, we're going to click on the down arrow. Then if it is your first time applications or replacement from the previous one, or mutilated or lost, so we're going to choose in it is our first time application. Click on it. Then another input also will appear, passport page count. So click on the down arrow, we're going to choose 134 that we had already chosen before the series. So we're going to click on the next button. Now it will lead us to another page for passport application for adults, only for person over 18 years. So with this, here we're going to fill in this inputs, select location to submit application. So we're going to click on the down arrow. It will show you places where you can collect your passports after you have made applications, or you can submit the form. So let us scroll downwards and you click in your surname, you give details such as your surname, other names, date of birth, special, then you're going to gender. You're going to choose in a gender particular such as your color of eyes. I'm going to choose the color of eyes there. Then you go to scroll downwards, going to give other details such as your height, either 2 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet, it depends with the height. Then inches, how many inches are you? Click on the down arrow, you can say 5, 6, wherever you select amongst this. Next we'll go straight away to birth location. You can choose the country that you are born. Then you go to the next, you go to home county that you belong. Select the next place of birth. The next we'll be going to citizen by. You're going to add a career PIN, professional or occupation, marital status, and reasons for travel. Then you go to residential details such as country of residence, postal address, phone number, email, STS application, and village. Then when you have already filled in that form, click on the next button. Then we'll head over straight away to parents details. That is step 6. Father's details. On the input place, down arrow, click on it if father details are available, or if father's details are unavailable or deceased. You're going to choose details available. So within there, you're going to place in the father's full name there, father's ID number, father's passport number if he has one, father's place of birth, the address of your dad, then postal address, postal code, then phone number of your father. The next, we'll head over to mother details. There are going to choose, when they click on the down arrow, then I'm going to choose mother's details available or not available. You can choose amongst those. Then fill in mother's full name. Then next we go to mother's ID number, mother's passport number. Scroll downwards, go to mother's birthplace, that input, postal address, postal code, then mother's phone number. Then next we click next button. Next of kin. This is the next of kin page. Then we're going to fill in our full names. As it has indicated here, fill in the details as they appear in the ID. Then we scroll downwards and fill in ID number, then the division, then you go to location, then relationship, then we're going to have the postal address, then postal code, phone number, email. Then we'll go to second next of kin, full names as they appear in the ID number, division, location, relationship, postal address, postal code, phone number, email address. Then click on the next button. particular of children. Do you have children? So we're going to click on the input button, choose either yes or no. For our case, we're going to choose on the input button, we're going to choose yes as an example. Then click on it. After clicking on it, you'll see a new pop-up of particulars of children, then relationship, then you have the relationship box, we have the full name, date of birth, place of birth, gender. We're going to add those details on their several inputs. So there, starting with relationship, legitimate child or legally adopted, you can choose any full names of the child, the place where he was born, the date of birth, then you click add a row if you have another child. Then you fill in the detail. You can click add a row if you have another child. And then you fill in all the inputs that are available. Now, if you have mistakenly added another row that is not there, you can click remove. Let's scroll down and you go to the next button. Click on the next button. So on this place, we will need to upload various documents. So you're going to start with, you're going to upload the recent passport size photo. Then you go to applicant signature, make sure that it is in white background. You click on it, then you go to applicant's ID front copy, then applicant's ID back copy, then you go to applicant's birth certificate copy, then father's ID, then you go downwards to mother's ID, then you click preview for viewing. Now on this section, we are going to check all the details that you have entered is correctly entered and all the uploads are rightly entered. So when we have an issue or a correction to rectify, we are going to click on the edit button. But as you can see, all is well. Let us continue by clicking on the complete button. Now the complete button has led us into this payment page. Now we have various methods of payment. There is Mpesa, there is Airtel, there is a Visa, MasterCard. There are also banks, several banks account here. But for our sake, we're going to click on Mpesa. Then we will have a new input whereby we can insert in our number. So let us put in our number, then we click pay, whereby it's going to send us a prompt message and the amount to be deducted for us to key in the Mpesa pin. Then after that, it will automatically deduct the number to reflect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide has made Kenyan passport application process on eCitizen much easier for you. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss our latest tutorials. If you have any question or run into any challenges during application, leave a comment below. We will be happy to help you. Finally, share this video with your friends, families who are planning to apply for Kenyan passport. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.